Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna unbox the ASUS Vivobook 15. So we have the laptop itself. Let's remove it. And it looks like the paperwork scattered around a bit. Now we have the paperwork, so there's the warranty information, user guide, and this thing which is like ASUS support and premium care. It also shows a few different apps and services. So we have the charger over here. It's actually quite small. Here's the power adapter and charging cable. Now it is just one piece. You can't detach it, and it is not USB-C, so it uses this type of plug. It's like a circle. It also came with this laptop bag for free. Here's the little backpack it comes with, ASUS. So you can't open it with one hand. You will need to hold it like this to open it. ASUS Vivobook. Let's power it on. Let's take a quick tour around. So we have the ASUS Vivobook logo over here. On the left side, there's a USB-A port. And on the right side, we have the rest of the ports, which include the headphone jack, USB-C, 2 USB-A, HDMI, and the charging port. This is what the laptop looks like when opened. Now it is 15 inches, well, 15.6 inches exactly, so it is quite wide. We do have a backlit keyboard which you can adjust by pressing F7. And there is a number pad, although there's no fingerprint sensor. But that makes sense since it's a more affordable laptop. This version has the Intel Core 5, and it shows some of the features in the sticker. Here's a closer look at the display. The viewing angles are decent, as you can see. And the brightness seems good indoors. Now for comparison, here's a MacBook Air 13-inch. As you can see, my whole laptop actually fits inside this device. So that really shows you the size difference. Let's play one of my videos on maximum brightness and volume. Well, let's get the volume up. Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. This is a pretty compact tablet. As you can see, the box fits in one hand. Let's open it. Now this laptop comes with an Intel Core 5 and 16 gigabytes of RAM, although there are lots of different configurations available. Now this is what the webcam looks like, and there's a cool feature. If you slide this to the right, it will physically block the webcam. As you can see, there's now an orange piece blocking it, so you have better security, unlike other laptops where you have to like stick a sticker or like cover it with something else if you want to cover your webcam. Here, you get your light showing that the camera is active, and you also get your orange sort of like piece here that covers it. So if we slide it over to the left, it will basically appear again. And once you turn off the camera or you stop using it, the light will turn off once there's no power going to the camera, like that. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video and found it useful. Feel free to leave a question, comment, or suggestion down below. And please like and subscribe for more to help support the channel. So, thanks for watching.